And shifting focus for now, in the wake of the cough syrup controversy in India, the World Health Organization has raised concern over what they say regulatory gaps in India's drug safety framework, particularly in detecting diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol in domestically marketed medicines. The move by the global body coming as questions, of course, have been raised over what's happened regarding the cough syrups. India's top drug regulator, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, remember, has launched a nationwide audit and inspection drive. Every cough syrup manufacturer, whether for domestic use or export, is now under the scanner, reportedly. The checks will cover testing labs and their compliance history, raw material sourcing, and chemical quality packaging and labeling norms, child safety warnings, and whether companies are registered on the government's online drug license system. This is aimed at bringing transparency to the pharma ecosystem. Back in 2023, CDSCO had already reissued the guidelines mandating that all cough syrup bottles must clearly state in bold red letters not to be used for children under 4 years, quote unquote. But the recent tragedy suggesting and also triggering a series of questions. At the center of the latest controversy is the Coldriff cough syrup, manufactured by the Chennai-based organization. And as the probe intensifies, the company's owner has been arrested by the police. Authorities have also banned all products manufactured by the company. India's Supreme Court has agreed to hear a public interest litigation seeking a CBI investigation into the Coldriff tragedy and systemic reforms in India's drug safety mechanisms. The PIL will come up for hearing on October 10. India's pharmaceutical industry, exceeded in size only by the US and China, is valued at $50 billion. More than half of its value comes from exports. India supplies 40% of generic medicines used in the US and more than 90% of all medicines in many African nations.